Hello beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing college or office makeup look under ₹100. It's very simple and quick, and all the products I am using today are safe to use on your face. So yeah, let's get started with the video. After cleansing my face, I'm going to apply moisturizer. Here I'm using Nivea cream. This cream is best for winters. It deeply moisturizes and softens the skin and also keeps our makeup for a longer period of time. After that, I'm going to apply Patanjali sunscreen. Don't forget to apply sunscreen guys, because sunscreen is very important to our skin, which protect our skin from UV rays and sunburns, and sunscreen also slows down the development of wrinkles, so apply sunscreen regularly. Next, I'm applying Fair and Lovely BB cream. You can totally use foundation or concealer, whichever you prefer. BB creams are very light in texture and perfect for day-to-day basis. So I'm dotting it all around my face first, then I'm blending it with my fingers. To make my BB cream long lasting and also prevent it from creasing, I'm going to apply Johnson's baby powder to my face with the help of small puff. Next, I'm applying Himalaya Kajal to my lower waterline. I'm also going to line my upper lash line by using the same Kajal pencil. I'm drawing a thin line over there. You can totally line thick or thin according to your preference. After that, I will be applying some Johnson's baby powder on top of the liner. This process prevents our Kajal from spreading around the eyes. Usually moms do this to their babies. They apply Kajal to their babies, and on top of that they apply little bit of powder to make that Kajal long lasting. So here I am doing the exact same thing. After 30 seconds, gently wipe that powder away. Finally, I am going to apply Patanjali lip balm to my lips. It deeply moisturizes our lips as well as it looks like lip gloss. So I'm not going to apply any lipstick here. You can totally apply lipstick or lip gloss. And yeah, that's it. This look is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and keep smiling. Bye.